guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can navigate between your spreadsheets quick and easy without having to actually scroll to get to where you want to go. So what do I mean? Let's say I'm working on a project and I'm at sheet number 17, okay, in this example, but I actually need to quickly get to sheet number 1. Instead of hitting this multiple times to get there, all I have to do is when I'm at sheet 17 is go to this little area of your worksheet down here, okay, where those arrows are. And I'm going to double click. And by double clicking, it pulls up this pop-up box, okay? When that pop-up box shows up, I just have to click on sheet number 1 and boom, I'm there. So let's just take a quick look at how many clicks I would have had to do to get to sheet number 1 versus that quick trick. So again, let's go back to sheet number 17. And if I wanted to see sheet 1, I would have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks, all right? And then I actually got to click on the sheet to get there. But using this other trick, so we're looking at like 5 clicks. So can we reduce those 5 clicks? Sheet number 17, I'm gonna right click in this area. I'm gonna scroll to sheet 1. I'm gonna click that and click OK. All right, so we went from about 5 clicks to 3 to get you there sooner. And again, as you know, we're all about saving time and working smarter. So any second that we can cut away from the work that we're doing is worthwhile. So guys, make sure that you save this for your next project. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments and I'll be glad to assist you. And just like that, y'all, you too can tech.